Car Features presents the 2026 Mercedes-AMG, a compact luxury SUV that blends everyday practicality with true AMG performance and character. In a world where SUVs are becoming softer and more comfort-focused, the AMG GLB 3.5 stands out by delivering excitement behind the wheel while still maintaining the versatility that defines the GLB lineup. It's designed for drivers who want performance without sacrificing space and usability. At first glance, the GLB 35's design immediately sets it apart. Unlike the sleeker and more coupe-like GLA, the GLB features a boxy, upright shape that emphasizes its SUV identity. This design not only gives it a strong road presence, but also allows for increased interior space, including an optional third row that expands seating capacity from 5 to 7 passengers for 2026. Mercedes-AMG introduces a new AMG design package. Plus, this package builds upon the existing Night package with high-gloss black accents and adds exclusive 19-inch AMG 10-spoke wheels in matte black, paired with striking red brake calipers. These updates give the GLB 35 a more aggressive and distinctive look. Under the hood, the GLB 35 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 302 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and comes standard with Mercedes. For MATIC all-wheel drive system, enhancing performance further is a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This system uses a belt-driven starter generator that can provide an additional boost of power at lower speeds while also improving efficiency by recovering energy during braking. The result is quick and responsive acceleration. The GLB 35 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4.9 seconds, making it significantly faster than the standard GLB 250 and competitive within its segment. But performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The GLB 35 features a sport-tuned suspension and performance, tires that deliver sharp handling and confident cornering. The trade-off, however, is a firmer ride compared to known AMG models. Still, for those who value driving excitement, this setup adds to the vehicle's appeal. Fuel efficiency remains respectable for a performance SUV. The GLB 35 is rated at approximately 21 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway. In real-world testing, it has achieved up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway, showing that performance doesn't have to come at the cost of efficiency. Step inside, and the AMG influence continues throughout the cabin. The interior features a flat-bottomed steering wheel, sport seats with microfiber upholstery, and optional leather finishes for a more premium feel. The driver benefits from an 8-way power-adjustable seat, while the front passenger enjoys 10-way adjustability, both with heating and lumbar support. The GLB's boxy shape translates into excellent headroom and a more open cabin feel compared to smaller SUVs. Large windows further enhance visibility and create a bright and airy environment. In the second row, flexibility is key. The seats feature a 40/20 split folding design and can slide forward or backward by up to 6 inches. This allows passengers to adjust legroom or create additional space for those seated in the optional third row. Speaking of the third row, while it is compact and best suited for children, it adds a level of practicality rarely seen in this segment. It includes cup holders, USB ports, and even child seat anchors, allowing the GLB to accommodate up to 4 child seats when fully equipped. Cargo space is another strong point. The GLB offers around 20 cubic feet of storage behind the second row and up to 62 cubic feet. This makes it competitive with larger SUVs and ideal for both daily use and longer trips. A hands-free power liftgate adds convenience when loading and unloading. Technology is front and center in the GLB 3.5. The dashboard features dual 10.3-inch displays, one for the digital instrument cluster and the other for the infotainment system, powered by Mercedes MBUX software. The system supports voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Connectivity options are extensive, including multiple USB-C ports, Bluetooth, wireless charging, and even remote vehicle functions through a smartphone app. The standard 12-speaker Burmeister sound system delivers rich, high-quality audio, enhancing every journey. Safety is also a priority. The GLB 35 comes equipped with standard features, such as automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, cruise control, and active brake assist. Additional options include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, providing providing extra confidence on the road. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLB class starts at just under $62,000 and rises depending on trim and options. Even the base model is well equipped, making it a strong value within the luxury performance SUV segment. Warranty coverage includes 4 years or 50,000 miles for both limited and powertrain protection, though it does not include complimentary maintenance. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLB 3.5 offers a unique combination of performance, practicality, and premium features. It delivers the excitement expected from AMG while maintaining the versatility that makes the GLB such a compelling choice. This is a compact SUV that refuses to compromise, offering speed, space, and style in one complete package.